Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel, Kindred Souls of America. And today we were at the third oldest Major League Park in all of baseball. We're at LECOM Field here in Bradenton, Florida, for a spring training game between the New York Yankees and the Pittsburgh Pirates. So come join us. Hope you have a great time. A lot of history here. It's been open since like 1929. Continual since 1929. Only Wrigley Field and Fenway Park are older. So have some fun. We'll show you all around. So here we are, southern home of the Pittsburgh Pirates. This goes way back, courtesy of Bradenton Pirates. You can see by the design that this is definitely an older stadium. Looking really nice. Hello, how are you? Got your schedule here. It's gonna be nice. We're gonna get some food. I'm here with Kerry today. Cold day today for baseball. What do you think?
Cold day for baseball.
There's your schedule on the wall. Unfortunately, no Mets games, but got some Yankee games there. Looks really cool. I love historical stadiums. I've never been to Fenway or to Wrigley, so this is my second time here. I really enjoy coming to the stadium for the history and really a nice place. Hey, Debbie, how are you?
Good, I'm a booster for the Bradenton Pirate Booster Club, and we're here having a beautiful day at LECOM Park.
I think it's amazing, and you're so nice. You welcomed us in.
Oh,
we
thanks.
feel really at home.
Enjoy the game. It's
We
a great
really-
stadium.
I hear it's a very old stadium, the third oldest one, but
It is.
we're gonna
It's
enjoy it.
beautiful. Enjoy it.
And you know all about the stadium, so we appreciate you.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too, bye.
Bye. So they have food all over. We got the tickets last minute, so we only paid like $40 a ticket. So we're gonna just, we cruise around and whatever. But just the history alone of the stadium, and you think about the players who probably came through here. I mean, you name it, since 1929. Everybody you could probably think of probably played here at one time or another. And you got your signpost right there. Really cool. I like how they put the lineups up over here. Let's see who we got playing today. We got... You got some good players today. Marcell Ozuna's really good on the Pirates. And looks like the Yankees might be doing a split squad. Ben Rice, he's a starter. Dominguez. But look at that. Ah, check it out. Some kind of animal crackers or something. All right. Hey, we got the Pirate mascot with us today. He's out flying around. So you can see that they got a nice section here. I just keep thinking all the players who walked through here in the last 100 years or so.
Calls overturned, the pitches the ball. New York has 2 challenges.
Very different baseball than 100 years ago. Pitching reviews, pitching clocks, but there's been some renovations here at the stadium, but the basics of the stadium still stays the same. And we'll show you the field in just a second. So this is a better view of how old the stadium is. You can look at the structuring there. Yankees versus Pirates, no score so far. We got the Pirate bullpen over here. That's what's so nice about spring training. You can never get this close to these guys, in a regular Major League stadium. And it's a chilly day, so people have their blankets. Usually they do a couple of fields, so you have, like over here, this would be where the players come in the back over there. You got some extra fields back here. That's when they strike somebody out. You hear the cash register ringing them up. See what this guy's got, some good stuff. Let's see. Guys today are always
Pitch is called a ball.
really big. No
That's
little
a
guys
strike.
anymore left in baseball. Very few. That's about 90 into the glove
Pitch is
without a
ball.
sweat.
Pittsburgh has one.
I'll tell you, if you've never been, even if you don't like baseball, it's a really nice experience. You come here a couple of hours, eat something. Usually it's a lot warmer than this, but even considering today's 58, it's much better than being back in New York at, snowstorm they're getting there, like 14 inches, whatever it is. But, you walk all around. Like I said, a lot of history here. Get together with some fans. And, a lot of fun. And you get to see Carrie all bundled up. What do you think of this baseball game today?
Really?
You said you don't like the heat oftentimes, but,
Today is way too chilly.
well, you got your cold weather.
It's gonna get warm again though.
Just think, back in New York, 14 inches of snow.
Yeah.
But no, honest and true, the best thing about spring training, other than where the Braves play in a beautiful stadium, but it's like a Major League Baseball stadium. It's down in the Nokomis, kind of closer to where we are in Sarasota. But you come here and you really see things up close, and it's totally
Catcher
worth
number
it.
79,
Very
Ethan
different
Henry.
experience from going to a Major League game where you're so far away from everything. So I would definitely highly recommend it. This is another fun thing about spring training. You have to always be vigilant because there are lots of baseballs and flying objects, not so much bats, but they hit a lot of balls. These stadiums are, a lot of the ones like the Mets ones, the dynamics are the same as the actual place where they play, but it's set up in such a way where you get a lot of foul balls. And if you're at the food concession areas, you get a lot of them that way too. So you always have to pay attention to your surroundings, which you should be doing anyway. But good atmosphere. Yeah, it was enjoyable. All right. So this is a view from our seats here. Right in the center of the action. All right, so we had a great day here at the park at LECOM Park. A little chilly, but we enjoyed it. So thanks for joining us here on Kindred Souls of America. We'll see you on the next video. Take care. Thank you.